welcome to this video. So today we are on the Euro USD on the 1 minute time frame. So I was looking to this chart, and as a fractal trader I start looking for the possible setups. The first one that I have located was this fractal right here, but the issue that doesn't have a lot of self-similarity. There is no details on this copy, so I can't rely on this to execute a zero drawdown trade with a clear take a profit and a clear stop loss. So in this way, I was willing to find another setup with a better confirmation. So always, when you open the chart, you just don't trade the first fractal you see. You have to wait for a good setup, for good confirmations to take the trade. So right here, I have located this fractal, this one exactly right here. And what we'll do exactly with this copy, so we took it from here, and what we'll do, we'll mirror this copy in this way. And then how we'll scale it on the self-similar patterns right here. So as you can see, we got this movement right here, the same way right here, and we have this the same way right here. Okay, so it's a clear self-similarity in this way. So now the reference points fits together. The low with the low, the high with the high, we have a strong self-similarity right here. So what I'm waiting for exactly, I'm waiting for the breakout of this high, and at this level I will execute a short position. My take a profit will be right here, and my stop loss will be right here. So 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio, this is a good trade. The reason behind the stop loss, why I choose it right here, it's based on the fib levels, so that's why we choose the stop loss right here. Those who understand how the fractals work will understand why I put my stop loss right here using the fibs. So this is our trade. We'll just wait for the price to develop. Will not execute any long position, although there is a high probability that the price will go up, but still there is no confirmations for the entry point. That's why I will avoid the long, and I will wait for the short. It will be a better trade. So that's it all for the moment. See you later. Hello back everyone. So this is an update for the trade. As you can see, the price has rejected from this level and the price hits the take a profit. So if we summarize quickly the trade idea, we said that right here there is a possible setup, and as you can see, the price has respected this level, equal lows, and then pushed to the upside. But as I said, it wasn't trustable fractal, so that's why I avoided to take the long position right here, and I waited for the short position. How we get to the short position easily, we have right here this mirrored fractals. So in this way, we click on mirrored, and then we scale our fractal in this way. Right here, as you can see, we have clear self-similarity, clear reference points, and we get our entry there, and this is our take a profit right here. Thank you so much. Have a great day.